Department of Energy siniguro na kung matutuloy ang pagtatayo ng nuclear power plant sa bansa, ito ay magiging safe at secured. Ayon kay DOE Secretary Sharon Garin, ang DOE ang lead agency para sa Nuclear Energy Program Interagency Committee. Kasama ng International Atomic Energy Agency ang DOE. Nagkaroon ng workshop para sa pag-assess ng safe sites para sa nuclear power plant. Kung sakaling matuloy ang nuclear power plant, ay ito ang pinaka-safe na itatayo dahil hindi lamang ito standards ng Pilipinas, kung hindi international standards ang magiging pamantayan.
During the SONA, President reaffirmed in his State of the Nation address to pursue nuclear energy as part of our long-term strategy for energy security and more affordable electricity. Continuous po ang continuous po ang work plan ng DOE and the rest of the agencies involved in this. Kasi marami pong agencies ang involved at very active po yung grupo na to. But one thing is for sure, and I think that was mentioned by the President as well, we will build the safest nuclear energy power plant kung matutuloy siya. No? Kailangan po, sinisigurado po na it is safe, secure, and with safeguards. Yun po yung Biblia po yan sa nuclear energy program natin dito sa Pilipinas. It is safe, secure, and with the proper safeguards. We will not build anything na minamadali lang. We will build the safest that we could get. The design should be the safest also, and the operations also the safest. Kaya it takes time, pero we want to make sure that even though we build it, we make sure that the people, the Filipinos, especially the communities around, are safe.